So nice that the summer is here. Feels like summer today. Sun is shining, birds are singing, everything is perfect. There is my cock that was sleeping inside my house today. He is with the other cocks and is accepted. That is he walking, you see. He's more accepted now. Yeah, this is life, to just be and see on everything that is all good. Here in the present. Make a smile in your face and feel the great love that you are a part of. Just smile and breathe in and slowly breathe out. Just accept everything as it is. Everything's gonna be okay. God has a plan. Trust in that. Trust in God's plan. Or love's plan, or what you call it. Because love is God and God is love. Will always be the truth that is now in this moment, and there is only now and has always been. As life is changing, to the better all the time. Well, yeah, wake up, people. The paradise is here and now if you choose it. You can choose it. Just to take a deep breath. Breathe it in and feel everything is slowing down.